Well, here we are in Georgetown, South Carolina. You're like, how do I fit the bags and the box on my bicycle while you arrive scot-free and without?
I will put it on my back when it's full. There's no need for me to put it on my back now.
Cool story, bro. All right, lead us out. We're here on the free dock in Georgetown, which is like my favorite thing when a city has a free dock for boaters to come and check out the city and enjoy it. It's nice when it's not abused.
Get provisions.
Get some provisions. We are headed to
The
best
Piggly Wiggly.
Piggly Wiggly. That's just the best name ever for a grocery store. Let's go to the Piggly Wiggly. This is all our expeditions in the grocery store. Yeah. It's always right next to like some busy ass road.
And we almost get ran over.
But it's survivable.
Yeah.
It's Grocery Adventure Day. It is touch and go in Georgetown getting to the Piggly Wiggly.
We almost got hit by a semi.
Almost got hit by a semi, but
we made it to the Piggly Wiggly.
now we're at Piggly Wiggly.
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah, hell yeah it is. And here in Georgetown, they have a cat cafe. So you can come and you can get something and snuggle with Mr. Whiskers. What do you think, Mr. Whiskers? Huh? Mr. Whiskers. A couple of surreal moments here in Georgetown. Had an old lady verbally accost us riding our bicycles out here, where apparently we weren't supposed to ride bicycles, but there's no signs or anything, just close to the free dock here, but like full yelling freak out Karen moment. And then had a guy coming out of the Piggly Wiggly like very aggressively ask us for 2 bananas. To which I don't give homeless people money, because I don't think you're helping their situation out, and there's too many good services out there to give people money to continue bad things. But you know, bananas, like, how do you turn down a man for bananas? But he passed up peanut butter cups and took bananas, and he had like full snot running out of his nose though and stuff. So Georgetown, it's a real mixed bag here today. They can't all be winners, you know. Not every day can be a winner. So today's a, you know, we're down 2 bananas and 1 ass chewing from an old lady. So got that going for us here in Georgetown. So one of the real epiphanies for me has been down here in the low country. And it's not Old Bay. I don't like Old Bay. Don't tell any of these guys I don't like Old Bay, because they'll throw me out. Like, they view this stuff as like very sacred. Pimento cheese. If you haven't had it, you don't know. It's very good. This is a burger with a fried green tomato and pimento cheese, which is like a cheesy coagulation conglomerate of deliciousness. And if you haven't had it, you need to try it. So I need to make a repair tomorrow, and I have 1 screw in the whole world that needs to go on there. If I lose that screw, for lack of anything better, I'm screwed. So what do you do when you need to get up there? Need to work this. What I've done is I've taken a roll of electrical tape, right, and I cut a little hole in it, and then I put the screw through that hole. help me manage this sail. You're fine, just let it loose there. Okay, now I need you to clean the blue. This is the jib halyard. Okay. What?
I don't want this to smack you in the head, so I'm trying to hold it tight.
Okay. Good. Actually, it just came together.
That went well.
Yeah, right there. You can see that you can see the screw missing.
Don't tell me what a rock star I am for finding.
Okay, up the ladder I go. Turn this thing. Oh no! Oh no! The screw came out. I used that hand. I should have kept it in my mouth. Now I will attempt to make it a screw by putting a slot into it.
Take two.
Mm-hmm. Okay, first thing is, gotta get the this doesn't go to AA, it's just a screw that fit. Another. That's done it. I hope you can see that. And here are homemade tamales. It looks like a tamale. Just north of Georgetown, there's these super cool cypress trees. If you're not familiar with the cypress tree, they put out these things they call knees. They're like little stumps that grow up around the tree, and I guess it's for the roots to be able to breathe or dry out or something. But pretty cool ones here. They're very robust. A lot of knees. It's like me, mostly knee.